Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone, so press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Follow the on-screen language and region prompts, select Wi-Fi and join the network now. Enter your Apple ID and verify with the two-factor code. This syncs iCloud, photos, and backups immediately. Once done, enable location services for maps and emergency features. Make sure to set a passcode and Face ID or Touch ID for security. These basics let you move into customization and app installs. You now customize the home screen and control center, drag widgets, create folders, and add frequently used shortcuts for instant access. Open the App Store and install core apps, search, tap Get, authenticate with your Apple ID. This keeps purchases tied to your account. Next, add email accounts in Settings Mail and enable contacts and calendars to sync via iCloud or a map. Once configured, check Settings General iPhone Storage to manage space and enable iCloud Backup to protect your data automatically. You finish by enabling automatic iOS updates and Find My iPhone to secure and keep the device current. These steps reduce future friction. Test core functions. Make a call, send a text, join Wi-Fi, and use maps to confirm location accuracy. If accessibility helps, turn on VoiceOver, magnifier, or larger text now. Finally, if something goes wrong, restart the phone first. If issues persist, update iOS, then reset network settings. That sequence resolves most setup problems quickly. Contact Apple support only if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.